Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you what you need to do to obtain a travel authorization for the United Kingdom, or as some might call it, an ETA visa. Before we get into the actual tutorial, I want to mention that these steps work regardless of your country or device. Meaning, if you are from Costa Rica and want to follow these steps on your phone, it works exactly the same as if you were from England or Andorra and were doing the steps on a computer. So, whether you're on a computer, tablet or phone, or whether you're from Andorra, Hong Kong or Costa Rica, these steps work exactly the same. The first and simplest step is to open a web browser such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox or Safari. For this tutorial, we will be using Mozilla Firefox, and the next step is to go to the domain that appears right now on the screen, namely etagb.com. We already have it typed in here. We're going to hit enter and we've accessed the etagb.com platform. On this platform, you will see the My Passport section. Here you will select the country corresponding to your passport or nationality. Let's say our passport is from Canada and we'll begin. Click on Get Started. Here you have some fairly important information which I will briefly explain to you. To complete the application, you need a passport photo, exactly like the one here, which is not blurry, has no reflections and no shadows. In addition to this passport photo, you also need a selfie of yourself standing in front of a wall that is a single color. It doesn't matter if it's white or blue, as long as it's a single color and it's light, the selfie is good. Alright, let's start the application. On page number 2, you need to provide personal details and contact information. In this section, we are going to need your email address, your primary contact phone number, which is entirely optional, AMI. But I highly recommend that you include it, your full legal name exactly as it appears on your official identification document, your current nationality, your specific date of birth, your unique passport number, and finally the passport expiration date. After you have filled them in, you will press Continue. Here you need to enter the address where you currently live, not necessarily the address from your ID or passport, even if your passport has an address on it, but the address where you can actually be reached if needed. We have entered a random address and will press Continue. For the third to last step, we have a few formal questions that are very easy to answer. Do you have any other nationalities? In most cases, the answer is no. If the answer is yes, you will need to specify which other nationality you have, but let's assume it's no. Do you have a job? If you have a job, you need to state what job you have. We said that we are plumbers, but if you don't have a job, simply indicate that you don't have a job. This does not affect the acceptance rate for this visa. After that, these two questions can influence the approval or rejection of your visa. These are questions to which, in most cases, the answer is no. Specifically, have you ever been convicted of a crime? No. If you have, select yes, but you might not be accepted. If the answer is no, you will definitely be accepted. And here, if you have ever been involved in war crimes, terrorism, extremism, espionage or sabotage, it's the same. The answer is no. There is a much lower chance for it to be yes. But if it is yes, it's the same. You still have a chance to be approved, but most of the time, you will not be approved for the ETA. After that, we click Continue, and here you will need to upload the documents I mentioned at the beginning of this form, namely the photo of your passport and the selfie against the wall. After you upload the two photos and these squares are green, you will click Continue to Payment. For the final step of this tutorial, you need to pay the fee for the ETA authorization, and within a maximum of 48 hours, you will receive a response by email. In many cases, the response comes quickly, but if it doesn't, don't worry, because it depends on how high the demand is on that particular day. Goodbye. And if this tutorial was helpful to you, please make sure to click the like button.